So today we're going to be taking a look at the SUI token, this being the second most searched for token on the market right now. And what we're going to do here is we're going to analyze it. I will personally analyze it for you, and then I'll make a price prediction. But it's important for you to know that we have, in fact, already entered into this particular trade. My group and I, you see, we've already gotten involved with SUI. Yeah, we actually got in around the 84-cent mark this morning, and we're going to be diving deep into an analysis of SUI. Now, before we go any further, if you're interested in becoming a part of my exclusive group, the Crypto-Quebec group, you can actually get an €8,000 bonus on BitGet, or alternatively, a $5,400 bonus on BitUnix. All the relevant links you need are going to be found right there in my bio. And once you've signed up, be sure to send me a direct message.